Hello, let me teach you on how to create an overhand macrame knot. And a macrame knot means from the word macrame means it's a design that is created by making knots, like mafundo ama kifungo, how would I put it? So I have my 3 yarns or ropes. For in this case I'm using shoelaces. So nitashikanisha mwisho ya the 3 strands zote pamoja, nitashikilia na mkono moja, then using a finger with the other hand I'll try to create some space so that when I go over the yarns, the 3 yarns, it'll create a space or what we call a ring or a circle. And then that part of the end of the 3 yarns, you can see bado siachili, I'll pull through the small space that to create, and then nitavuruta ipite kabisa. As you can see inapita, and then pull on both sides so that we create now the knot, and that is what we call an overhand macrame knot. So if you're doing plaiting, that's how you're supposed to make the knot. Thank you, and please remember to subscribe.